I'm sorry. You can make the pond.
Or do you know? No, everybody back. On the bridge.
Which way we go?
And you know what, Lana? You can help them to help them to cross. Yeah, and then they can come here and I'll pin them. Everybody in a straight line across. Okay, now, are you
Beautiful pond.
Okay, ready? Nina, everybody move back a little bit. And then stop halfway and we'll take a picture. Yes. Stop.
Avery's just in the middle.
Move back, everybody.
The bridges that run north to south get weathered a little bit.
All right, everybody listen.
That's good.
Okay, listen, here comes the next part.
Oops.
Pay attention, girls.
No, if you can't see right now,
Who
Logan,
comes
then
to
move,
these
Cameron.
woods?
I need to be here. Cameron, honey, come here.
What do you want?
Yeah.
Camera here. You watch here. You sit right here.
Okay, we all remember the Brownie Girl Scout story. We too will perform a little magic of Let's Pretend. Please close your eyes.
You can't be over there. Come over.
Close your eyes, Brownies.
Sit
Girl,
right
please.
here. You're gonna walk right to you.
Close your eyes, everybody.
You're gonna walk
Thank
right
you,
to
Margaret. Good girls. Cross your little
Right
fingers.
here.
Stand upon your toes. That's a bit of magic every Brownie Girl Scout knows. Now we all are standing in a forest glade. Listen very carefully. See the magic made. Now open your eyes. And here we are. In the big woods before you is a pond. You can almost hear the wise old owl and the friends of which you are fond. Okay.
All right, Jordan.
Go ahead, Jordan.
Twist me and twist me, turn me,
Good, honey. Look at Aunt Melissa. Smile, baby. Come to mommy.
Okay, go ahead, Sanana. Your turn. Be
She's
careful.
still on the floor.
You ready? Do a turn it down. Twist me and turn me and show me the
Wait,
owl.
Melissa.
I looked in the water and saw. What'd you see, Sahana?
I see
Myself.
flowers.
No, say I see myself.
Don't see the end of the line.
Okay, now go see Julie for your pen.
I know it already.
Smile.
Do you get the pin? What do the pins look like?
Perfect.